swing. He does swing the ball, and don't forget how he got Robin Uthappa out. Mustard goes after it. That is a fine hit. Now, I reckon Peterson will do a lot of this. He'll go after Amr Yamin because he's skiddy, and he'll come onto his bat. Yeah, he's a big, tall batter. Works in leg side, out. Bobby Kumar has taken a good catch, low on his shoelaces, but that is a big scalp to remove Kevin Peterson. That's the slow ball, that's the one, but it's been thrashed. Mustard goes after him. It's bread and butter for Mustard. He's struggling. Hit the stumps. Gone! That's a direct hit. Yasser Arafat with the throw. I reckon that's gone.
One of the middle, and oh, that was hit very hard. How good is that?
There were 3 men in the 30-yard circle on the offside and found the gap with great amount of ease, Kevin O'Brien. That misfield will help. That misfield will help. Will take that boundary as well.
Not so hard for Phil Mustard. The first ball, he clears it with ease. A massive ease my trip, 6.
Picks the length and also picks the man at deep mid-wicket. What a catch! Yasser Arafat, it was always dying on him. He had to go forward, never easy out on the deep.
That was just a stunner, an absolute stunner from Yasser Arafat. No problem there.
Inside out. That's how well that Kevin O'Brien just opens up the offside as well. Clean bowled. Was looking to just work it on the onside, maybe for the one and keep strike, but beaten in flight by Shoaib Malik. He does that time and time again. In the air, deep square leg, and takes it. That's more of his hitting zones away shot, but picks the man out straight away at deep square leg.
See, there's no real pace and he's going to struggle, although that wasn't the greatest of the shots, but he'll fetch boundary. Oh, almost chopped it on, almost. Still not finding the right rhythm, Ali Brown, but the boundaries are coming.
You're out, Ali Brown! Caught in the deep!
What about that shot? This went straight. Good catch. Very, very good catch.
Stumped. Sure, that stumped. Lovely bit of bowling from Ajmal and a nice bit of glove work from Cameron Akmal. Had the bails off in a flash.
Could be out. Could be out. Could be out, and is given out. Umpire didn't take long before raising his finger.
But England celebrated long into the night, and has he taken the ball cleanly here?
Abdul Razak or Yasser Arafat has taken it cleanly, yes. Nothing wrong with that whatsoever.
Knocks him over, finishes the job. Sohail Khan is a very canny bowler. England have been trounced. A very insipid performance from England. Pakistan are too strong in all departments. They've now won